The push-button transmitter from Bellman Symfon is part of the Visit Smart Home system that can be used as a doorbell or a caregiver call button. The push-button transmitter works wirelessly with our full range of receivers. Let's look in the box. Here's a user manual in multiple languages. Here is the push-button transmitter. Screws, wall plugs, and adhesive tape, and a lanyard. To test the connection, press the front button on the transmitter. The LED lights up in green to show that the transmitter is activated and sends out a radio signal. The receiver will light up a green LED. In addition, it provides a combination of notifications by sound, flashes, or vibrations, depending on the receiver. Now, to set up the transmitter as a doorbell, remove the protective film from the adhesive tape and place it on the back of the transmitter and onto the wall. To set up the transmitter as a wireless caller button, attach the lanyard to the transmitter like this and hang it around your neck. When someone presses the button, the transmitter is activated and sending out a radio signal. Now the push-button transmitter is ready to use. That's how easy it is to set up. Here are some additional features. This transmitter is powered by a 6-volt battery and can last up to 2 years. In the top left corner, there is a radio key switch. The radio key switch is in its default position and works with all of our receivers out of the box. The signal pattern switch sets the transmitter to trigger different notification patterns on the receiver. Normally, you don't need to change these two switches unless you would like to customize the system. If so, please watch our separate instruction video. And that is the push-button transmitter, part of the Visit Smart Home system.